pages 55 to 58. Good morning, students. Now come to page 55. Write the given fraction in the blue box and color an equal part in the given shape. 2/3. 2 parts out of 3 equal parts are shaded. So, shaded parts 2 upon 3 or 2/3. Second, 4 upon 8. 4 parts out of 8 equal parts. Shaded. So, shaded parts 4 upon 8. Third, 5, 6. 5 parts out of 6 equal parts are shaded. So, shaded part 5 upon 6 or 5, 6. Now, write the numerator and denominator of each of the following fractions. 3 upon 7. The number written above the line is numerator and below the line denominator. In 3 upon 7, number 3 is above the line, so 3 is numerator. Number 7 is below the line, so it is denominator. 8 upon 11. 8 numerator, 11 is denominator. Mixed fractions. 3 Vavas have to be shared equally between 2 people. We can do this in 2 ways. Method 1. Divide each Vava equally into 2. Give each person one part of it. That means each one will get 3 halves. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 upon 2. That means 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 1.5. Method 2. First, give each person one full. The remaining one Bhava, divide it into 2 halves and give it to each person. Each person will get one full and a half. That means 1.5. When we combine a whole number with a fraction, it is called a mixed fraction. Here, 1.5 is a mixed fraction. 1 is a whole or full number and half is a fraction. So, we call it 1.5 a mixed fraction. Page 56, 1.25, 1.5 and 1 3/4. One and a quarter. 1 whole or full and quarter make 1 plus quarter which is read as 1.25. 1.5. 1 whole and half makes 1.5. It is read as 1.5. 1 3/4. 1 full and 3/4. Quarter plus quarter plus quarter is equal to 3/4. Make 1 3/4, 1 3/4. Now read the following fractions and write in words. 2 3/4, 10.5, 7 1/4. Now read the following and write in fraction. 4 3/4, 18.5, 7 1/4. Page 57, comparing fraction. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6. Students, look at the picture and the fraction written in the boxes above and answer the following questions. Which is the smaller fraction, 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 3? Here, the numerators are 1 and denominators are 2 and 3. If numerators are same and denominators different, the greater denominator will be smaller fraction and the smaller denominator greater fraction. In 1 upon 3, denominator 3 is greater and in 1 upon 2, denominator 2 is smaller. So, 1 upon 3 is smaller fraction. 2. Which is the smaller fraction, 1 upon 5 or 1 upon 6? Answer, 1 upon 6 is the smaller fraction. 3. Which is the bigger fraction, 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 5. 1 upon 3 is bigger fraction. Write smaller, greater in the boxes given below. 1 upon 3 is smaller than 1 upon 2. B. 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 4. 1 upon 5 is smaller than 1 upon 3. 1 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 6. As the denominator of the fraction with the numerator 1 keeps increasing, what happens to the value of the fraction? Answer. As the denominator of the fraction with the numerator 1 keeps on increasing, the value of the fraction goes on decreasing. 6. Which is the smaller fraction, 1 upon 6 or 1 upon 9? Why? Answer. Denominator 9 is greater than denominator 6. So, 1 upon 9 is the smaller fraction. 7. Fill the boxes with proper sign. 1 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 10. 1 upon 15 is greater than 1 upon 20. 1 upon 200 is smaller than 1 upon 100. 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. 8. You have a fruit. Using that fruit, how will you explain to your friend that 1 upon 4 is smaller than 1 upon 2? First, the fruit is divided into 2 equal parts. Each part is 1 upon 2 or 1 half. Again, the same fruit is divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1 upon 4 or 1 quarter. Look at the figure. Which is smaller, 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 4? 1 upon 4 is smaller than 1 upon 2. Page 58, fractions related to sets. Here is a set of 9 balls. They are divided into 3 equal parts. 2 parts are shaded. It means 2 upon 3 part is shaded. 2 upon 3 of 9 is 2 upon 3 multiplied by 9. That is 2 multiplied by 9 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Find the value of 1 upon 2 of 2. 1 multiplied by 2 upon 2. That means 2 divided by 2, that is 1. B. 2 upon 3 of 6. 2 multiplied by 6 upon 3. 2 6 are 12 upon 3, that is 12 divided by 3, that is 4. C. 1 upon 5 of 10. 1 multiplied by 10 upon 5, that is 10 ones are 10 upon 5. 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2. Hope you have understood lesson number 10, fraction. Thank you.